Welcome to our new travel video. Today we're exploring Cliveden, a stunning National Trust estate overlooking the River Thames in Taplow, near Maidenhead. Once home to dukes, earls, and even a Prince of Wales, Cliveden is rich in history and surrounded by magnificent gardens. Covering 376 acres of formal grounds, woodlands, and riverside walks, the estate map guides visitors to highlights such as the parterre, the long garden, the water garden, and the iconic Cliveden House. Walking through the garden pathways, you're surrounded by seasonal displays and tree-lined avenues. These paths connect the different parts of the estate and give a first taste of the estate's peaceful atmosphere. The water garden was created in the 19th century and remains one of Cliveden's most popular areas. The ornamental lake, dotted with fountains, is surrounded by lawns and trees. It's a perfect spot to sit, picnic, or simply enjoy the reflections in the water. Cliveden is well prepared for visitors. This picnic area near the kiosk is a great place to stop for a coffee, light lunch, or simply to relax with family. Many people use this area as a break before continuing further into the grounds. Near the entrance is the plant center. Here, you can find plants grown on the estate itself, as well as seasonal flowers and garden gifts. It's the ideal way to take a small part of Cliveden's beauty home with you. One of Cliveden's most famous landmarks is the Fountain of Love. Designed in 1897 by the sculptor Thomas Waldo Storey, it features a dramatic display of marble figures representing love, romance, and mythology. Positioned on the main drive, it greets visitors as they approach the house. long garden is one of Cliveden's most formal spaces, stretching out in a straight line with clipped topiary and neat box hedges. Originally laid out in the 19th century, it combines ornamental beds, vegetable plots, and flowering plants. Depending on the season, the garden is alive with color and fragrance, showing both decorative and practical planting. This elegant garden building, known as the Blenheim Pavilion, is a fine example of neoclassical architecture. Built in the 18th century, it was designed as an ornamental feature for the grounds, a place where guests could pause and admire the surrounding gardens. The Duke's Garden, once a private retreat, features quiet lawns, ornamental hedges, and sculptures. Today, it's a calm spot within the estate, perfect for reflection. The statue of a robed figure adds to the garden's sense of peace. The parterre is one of Cliveden's most iconic garden views. From the terrace, you look down over geometric box hedges and brightly colored flower beds. First created in the 19th century, it reflects the French style of formal landscaping, designed to impress visitors as they approached the house. And finally, we reach Cliveden House. Built in the 1850s in Italianate style, it replaced earlier houses that had burned down. Over the centuries, Cliveden has hosted royals, politicians, and even inspired the Profumo affair in the 1960s. Today, it is leased as a luxury hotel, while the gardens and estate remain open to the public through the National Trust. Thank you for joining us on this detailed tour of Cliveden. From its fountains and formal gardens to the majestic Cliveden House itself, this estate is a masterpiece of landscape design and history. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel adventures across the UK. See you on the next journey.